missing someone.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain some things related to trusses construction. First one, I will tell you about trusses construction in brief. And then second, some part of trusses. And then after that, benefit and weakness of wood trusses and steel trusses. And then the last one, I will give you some shape of wood trusses and a video. So enjoy the watching and let's check it out. The construction of the truss is an arrangement of root frames that function that support the roof load, including its own weight, and at the same time can give shape of the roof. The truss is the main support of the roof structure. This structure is included in the classification of framework structure. Generally, these trusses are made of wood, bamboo, steel, and reinforced concrete. Basically, the construction of the truss consists of a series of roots that always form a triangle, taking into account the weight of the roof and the material and shape of the cover. The structure of the truss is each other will be different, but each arrangement of the root frames must be a sturdy from that will be able to carry the burden that works without changing. The truss were placed onto walls as the focus. It should be noted that the wall is attempt not to accept horizontal force or moment, because the wall is only able to accept the vertical loads. The truss is considered capable of supporting roof loads in one particular roof area. The calculated loads are dead loads, the weight of the roof, rank, usuk, gording, and truss, and the burden of life, 1. Rainwater, people at the time of installing or repairing the roof. Pull beam wood truss. The first part of the wooden truss is a pull beam that serves to withstand the horizontal force caused by the presence of force acting on the legs. This pull beam itself is a beam that contains the bottom of the truss and usually measures 8 per 12 centimeters, and then 2 looking block in addition to the tensile beam. There is a looking beam that serves to connect and strengthen the connection of the tensile beam. The size of the looking beam that is usually used alone measures 8 per 12 centimeters, and then 3 truss legs. The next part that you must understand before arranging the roof of the building is the legs of the truss that serve as the pedestal of the guarding beams and the load on it. Not only that, in the manufacture of legs, these trusses are also designed with oblique rods that are used to show the angle of inclination of the roof. As with the previous tensile beams and looking beams, the size of the legs of the trusses ranges from 8 per 12 centimeters. The legs of these trusses are also often known as outer diagonal beams, and then 4 support beam. The next part is a supporting beam or skirt that serve to support the legs of the truss so as not to be curved by the load caused by the guarding beam. If the legs of this truss is often known as the outer diagonal beams, then The supporting part of score is often known as the middle diagonal beam, measuring 8 per 12, and then 5 gapit beams, as the name suggested, gapit. This part is advantage and weakness of wood trusses and steel trusses. First one, wood trusses. Advantage: add the aesthetic of the building, elastic and flexible. And in the weakness, wood materials is flammable, withered easily. After that, steel trusses. Advantage: durable, easy to get materials. And weakness: hard to install and sometimes rusty. Okay, this is shape of wood trusses. 3 until 4 meters span. Have to type like this and like this. This is so cute, like me. No, I'm just kidding. Used in building, span of 3 until 4 meters. And then after that, 4 until 8 meters. Used in building, span of 4 until 8 meters. And have to type like this and like this. And then the last, more 10 meters. Used in building, more span 10 meters, like a factory, hotel, and another. Okay guys, thanks for your attention, and I hope my video can add to your knowledge. So thank you for watching and see you.